friends, Justin from Moxie Van Co. Today we have a service and add-on job. Today we have a Thor Sanctuary RV built van that we're going to be adding rear storage to and a spare tire carrier. So this customer has chosen the Avatar off-road products. So the rear door racks that hold the boxes. We have two large boxes over here and a spare tire carrier with the spare tire that we're adding to the rear of this van. So we'll show you that process and we'll show you the finished product afterward. All right, as you can see here, we finally got the boxes and the spare tire installed on the rear of this van. We have some massive storage options here. Just a giant box here. Open that up for you guys to show you. Carry all kinds of things. Skis, fishing rods. This one opens up. This folds down. Got some shelves inside of this one. And then the spare tire above. Big install on this van, improved the storage capabilities for it. And that's that project.